Today we're diving into one of the most exciting plays in clean energy, OKLO Inc., a nuclear tech disruptor backed by none other than OpenAI's Sam Altman. If you're curious about the future of power and big opportunities in nuclear, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Bull Market Bully. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on this stock. And stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could make OKLO an even bigger sleeper hit than it already looks. OKLO is a clean energy company focused on building small modular reactors, also known as SMRs. These reactors are compact, efficient, and tailored to provide nuclear energy for industries like data centers, which are energy hungry and growing fast. The problem they're solving? A surging demand for reliable, carbon-free energy in tech and AI infrastructure. Their customers, major players like Switch, a giant in data centers, need power solutions to keep pace with global growth. Nuclear's clean, steady output positions OKLO as a future-ready energy solution. Let's talk numbers. OKLO's stock has surged over 80% this past year, sitting at $19.28 as of today. The company is currently not profitable with net losses of $584 million, but they're investing heavily in technology and securing partnerships to ramp up revenues. On the balance sheet, OKLO has $235 million in cash and minimal debt, giving it strong liquidity to weather operational hurdles. While they're still early stage, their clean balance sheet sets them apart from other nuclear startups burdened by heavy debt. Nuclear energy is experiencing a renaissance. With the AI boom and a push for net zero emissions, demand for sustainable power is skyrocketing. OKLO's competitive moat lies in its first-mover advantage in commercial SMRs, strategic partnerships, and their backing by Sam Altman, whose deep tech connections open doors for high-value deals. Their biggest competitors, like NuScale Power and Nano Nuclear, are chasing the same space. But OKLO stands out with its streamlined reactors designed for faster deployment and lower costs. OKLO has three growth levers. First, market expansion. More deals like their recent 12-gigawatt agreement with Switch, which locks in long-term revenue streams. Second, innovation. OKLO is focused on developing reactors for rapid scalability, aiming to deploy reactors faster and more affordably than competitors. And third, strategic backing. With Altman's tech influence, we can expect more partnerships with big AI and cloud players. Challenges do include regulatory red tape and high development costs, but, OKLO's cash reserves help them keep momentum strong. At $19.28, OKLO's valuation reflects investor excitement. While there's risk due to a lack of profitability, the upside is massive if they scale successfully. For long-term investors, any pullback to $15 to $17 could be an ideal entry point for a high-risk, high-reward energy play. Based on their market opportunity, financial stability, and growth potential, I give OKLO Inc. a B+ for long-term investors looking to capitalize on clean energy trends. And here's a bonus tip. OKLO is developing reactors that can reuse nuclear waste from older plants. This innovation not only lowers fuel costs, but also addresses one of nuclear energy's biggest criticisms, waste management. If they crack this at scale, OKLO could dominate a whole new market. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to Bull Market Bully, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more stock reviews like this. Let me know in the comments, are you bullish or bearish on OKLO? I'll catch you next time.